Good morning, friends. My name is Varinder and welcome you to my YouTube channel Cloud Ninja. So today in this video we'll study that how we can do the registration onto the AWS console and how we can create a free account onto the AWS Amazon Web Services and start using the different services like Amazon EC2, RDS, IoT, which are available into the Amazon Web Services. We can start using those services by doing the registration, which is totally free of cost. So let's move on to the first slide. In order to create the registration, you just need to click on this particular link, or you can copy this link, https://aws.amazon.com/console into your browser, and then on the right hand side you can see the image wherein you will be clicking on create a free account, and a below window will be opened where you need to click on I am a new user, and there you can see that there are two radio buttons. One is I am a new user and I am a returning user, and my password is that is when once we'll create the account, then we'll be using the second option with I am a returning user, because in that case we'll having our passwords to log into the AWS console. So after clicking on I'm a new user, you need to enter your email address and password and click on create account. You can see the login credentials snapshot. I have taken it for you when I created this account for Cloud Ninja. So once you enter all the details, you need to click on create account. Once you click on that, then another window will open. You need to click on personal account, fill all the details like your address, city, postal code, and the captcha. Once you do that, you need to click on create account and continue. So in that case, you need to here in the sixth step, you need to enter your credit or debit card details, so that Amazon should be able to verify your account, so that Amazon can make sure that it is not a fake account. And Amazon will be deducting a small amount of money, maybe 2 or 3 rupees from your credit card, but again that will be reversed to your account, because as I promised, you will be able to create a free account if you will be following these 8 steps to log into the AWS console or doing the registration. So in the 7th step, choose the free tier. You can see, once you do that, choose the free tier account, and then in the final step, you'll get a confirmation link onto the email address which you have provided while creating the account, like I provided cloudninjas@gmail.com. So you just need to log into your email account and just click on the confirmation link. So we'll be able to do a registration onto the AWS free tier, and there are some basic services which are provided by the AWS or Amazon Web Services, so that we should be familiar with the kind of services which Amazon is providing to us, and how we can actually use those services and get benefit out of that. So if you are a network administrator or you are new to the AWS console, so you can follow these steps. You'll be able to create an account, and there are certain things which we'll be covering in the slide, that okay, which are the services or what is the limit for storage which Amazon is providing to us, so that we can start making us familiar with the different AWS services. And in case you are an entrepreneur, it is good for you before moving your actual infrastructure into the production or making your site live. You can actually have a feel that okay, what different services are and how they are beneficial to you. So in free tier is really, as discussed, enable this AWS wants you to get a hands-on experience with the different AWS cloud services, like Amazon EC2 is there, IoT is there. There are different services for Hadoop databases, and you can create your own virtual data center, which is VPC, and start putting up servers into that. And now let's study that what is included in the free tier, because this is important, because once we create an account, then and when we start using the services, it might be possible that you are clicking on the radio buttons or some services which are not free, and you will be charged for that. So make sure that you understand that okay, which are the different services, so that you can get best of the AWS free tier account. So in case of compute, while building up servers or using the EC2 service, Amazon actually gives you 750 hours of compute service, and which is a resizable capacity in the cloud. You can use these many hours for servers within the cloud, and it is per month, and you can multiply with 12, and you can see that number of hours Amazon really is providing to you to get familiar with the AWS services or EC2. Similarly, Amazon is providing us 5 GB of standard storage, which we can use and to really have feel and apply different permissions. We'll see in subsequent videos that how we can use the S3, that is the simple storage, to upload the content onto the AWS cloud. Similarly, Amazon is also providing us Amazon RDS, which we call as Relational Database Service, 750 hours again for the Amazon RDS single availability zone, which we'll see when we'll create a database instance inside the Amazon. Because in case of multi-AZ, so Amazon actually has to spend money onto that by replicating your data onto the different edge locations, so that you get redundancies. In that case, Amazon provides us a single availability zone. But again, Amazon is giving you a service free database into the cloud, so that you can, if you are a database administrator, you can have a feel of that, and then you can advise those ideas into your organization or within the enterprise which you work. And if you'll click on expand details, over here, you'll get another window for compute, storage, and database like this. So we'll get more details that okay, what type of instances under EC2 Amazon is providing: Linux, RxEL, SLES, or the type of micro instances. And again, like AWS free tier account is for 12 months or 1 year. And similarly, in case of Amazon S3, if you will expand it, you get that 5 GB of standard storage, which includes 20,000 GET requests and 2,000 of PUT requests, which you'll be using when you be uploading your data to the Amazon S3. And similarly, in case of RDS, Relational Database Service, apart from the single AZ, single availability zone availability, Amazon gives you 20 GB of DB storage, and it could be combination of general purpose SSD or magnetic, and 20 GB for the backups. And you can have 10 raised to power 6 IOPS you'll be able to get in case of if you're using Amazon RDS. So similarly, friends, you can imagine the kind of free infrastructure Amazon is giving you to do the experiment. Because if you're a database administrator or you work in a data center, you can have an idea that in order to get these many number of IOPS for your database, what kind of infrastructure is required at the back end just to do the testing purpose. So really, you can take use of this AWS free tier service, which is provided by the Amazon, to get hands-on experience onto the different services provided by the Amazon, so that you should not be charged for that. And you can increase your skills onto the AWS cloud. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. And if you really like this video, please do click the like button, and do share this video with your friends, so that more and more people can learn that what is AWS and how they can actually get benefit out of that. Thank you, friends, once again for watching this video. Thank you.